You won't believe me coming here. I haven't paid a dime. Not even a dime. So it's because of my content about health food fun, educating people about health, so they reached out to me and they asked me to come, as part of Black Excellence. And honestly, I've always dreamed of just going somewhere free, paid for, and today it's happening. It's actually happening. So I came here for free. Everything is paid for. Lunch, dinner, as you can see. I don't know if you can see. So all I need is to just show up and enjoy myself. And I'm gonna do a room tour and we're gonna get a vlog of everything that's going on here. Stay tuned. Hello guys, what's up everybody? I'm so happy. Let's put the card and do the room tour. Come with me. Ah! Guys, I've been dreaming of going to a hotel, fully paid, breakfast, lunch, bedroom, everything. I'm so excited. Anyway, let's do this room tour and then go to get lunch, my paid lunch, like literally everything paid for. Okay, let's go. Oh, why is the lighting? Okay. So this is the bathroom. All to myself. I have to remind you that. All to myself. I just love the lighting and how clean it is. Come. Let's show them. Okay. I mean, not bad. I always dreamed of having something like this for free because I like going out. I like paying my money to just go and enjoy myself. And today I'm getting all this for free. You must be kidding me. Anyway, let's keep on. Okay, so here we have the wardrobe. I just put this here. I'm just sorting my stuff out, so bear with me. Yeah, so in the bedroom, honestly, I like everything. I appreciate every single thing. Oh, my haters, you better die. Anyway, so I love everything. I have some water here, a cup of tea. And I love the African. I find this like African vibe. I like it. So that's all. And then there's a TV here. There's a TV. I'm just charging my laptop and my mic, ready to go. And then there's a, should I say this is a mini balcony or it's just giving. Can you see the sun shining? Can you see the light coming through? Ooh, 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 ooh. Anyway, that's the end of our video. Let's go and have some lunch. So this is the lunch. Anonymous. I like this.
As we go forward, because that's what we need for us to actually be empowered. So I need a mentor here, if you need a mentor, or if you need to get some kind of training in fractionated bars. This is optimism. Optimism. I'm waiting for the word come. To work with young people needing care.
Guys, so I just came for a break. Yeah, that's my outfit. I just came for a break. I'm gonna go back.
Chanel wrong to it.
Woo! Oh, just so nice. So we just finished the meeting. Everyone is leaving, and I'm just going to grab my stuff, ready to go home. Yep. I'm just back in my room. You know, I'm just thinking, what should I do? I'm just back in my room, so everyone is changing, and I don't want to change. I'm going the way I am. Like, I'm perfectly fine. So I'm gonna do a bit of content and then we'll go for dinner.